Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word exuberant. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The children were filled with exuberant energy as they ran and played in the park. Exuberant describes a lively and enthusiastic state, characterized by high energy, excitement, and an outwardly joyful and expressive demeanor. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.